Hi, today I'm going to create a CloudFront distribution. For the CloudFront distribution, first we need to create a bucket in our S3 instance. So in the AWS Cloud Management, I'll click on the S3, then create new bucket. Here I will write my bucket name, my create S3 bucket for test.com. We can use our domain name or whatever we want. If is it available, then it will be processed. Then we will select the region and click next. Here it's the by default, we create next. No need to change anything here. Here we will make a little change in the block all public access. We will uncheck this one, and in the acknowledge I will check it, then create, click next and create bucket. We can see that bucket is created now. So I will open it and we will upload our content here in the bucket, like our website, our HTML files, our pictures, anything we want to upload, we will upload here. So upload, add a file. I will just upload a picture. It's in the folder. I will upload it. Select this file, a.png. File name is a and the .png is the format. Then click next. It's by default, no need to change, and upload. Our file is showing here now, a.png. After the creating a bucket and uploading our files, we will create a distribution in the CloudFront. For that, we will click on the CloudFront from the AWS console and create distribution. Create distribution in the web section, we will click on Get Start. Here we will select our domain, my create3 bucket for test.com, and no need to change anything for this HTTPS. Smooth streaming, no. Compress object automatically, no. Here's everything will be by default. We will just change the origin for pricing. Here in the price class, we change the origin. Use only US, Canada, and Europe, whatever you want. Then create distribution. After the creating, it's in the progress. Like status is in progress, it's in the deployment mode. So it will take 20 to 40 minutes. So we need to wait for it. Here, in the origin, my create 3 bucket for test. CloudFront distribution is deployed now. We can see that in the status it's deployed. Now we will create a test environment to access our file which we upload in the bucket. For the test environment, we will create a HTML file. In the documentation, we can see there is a little code, HTML code. We will copy it and paste it in the HTML file. So I open a new HTML file. Just remove the old. Before I already have a new HTML file, so I will remove the old text from this file and paste the new one. This one I will copy and paste it in the new HTML file. For the domain name, in the HTML file for the domain name, you can see that HTTPS my domain name. So I will select copy my domain and paste it here. So we will find the domain in the CloudFront distribution. In the CloudFront, this is my domain name. I just copy it and paste it here. Slash forward slash a.png. A.png our file name. A.png, like which file we before we upload in the bucket image a.png. So I will save the file and I will open it with the web browser. You see, a.png is the file name in the bucket. It's here now. So I will save it and open it with the web browser. We can see that our file is showing in the web browser. This one is the file we upload in the bucket. That's all. The next step is how to clear the CloudFront distribution. For the CloudFront distribution, just click on the CloudFront and select our distribution. I create 3 bucket for test. Select it and disable. Yes, disable. So it will take time for 10 to 20 minutes for this step. Before we delete, we need to disable this. Once it's done, then we will delete this one. Now you can see that the status is deployed now and it's successfully disabled. So after this one, just select it and click delete. Yes, delete. Now we see that our distribution is deleted now. Our CloudFront distribution is deleted now. So we have one more resource in S3. There is a bucket before we create this one. So just select this bucket and press delete.